Meet Vega. Exclusively for the FX20, Vega is the new ultra-high-performance PEKK filament from Markforged, designed for aerospace applications. Let's dive into some key features. We leveraged our experience developing chopped fiber reinforced filaments to create Vega. Combined with PEKK, a proven aerospace material, Vega is a game changer for printing large, FST-compliant parts that feature an excellent surface finish. We've also designed Vega for continuous carbon fiber reinforcement, allowing you to print strong, reinforced parts. With a matte finish and an excellent surface quality that outpaces most high-temperature plastics, Vega offers superb as-printed finish for aesthetic parts. And Vega is lot qualified and traceable. Vega, the latest high-performance material from Markforged for high-value, high-temp applications.